Nice not to have to hold your breath for 5 minutes after driving a car into the garage. This is our last of the first generation Nissan Leafs. In for a major piece of maintenance today after its first 40,000 kilometers in 18 months. I need to change the wipers. I love this car because it's so low maintenance. By having a daily driver like this, I just I don't have to waste too much time away from the old crew. This is a very harsh environment where we live by the sea with all the salt water, that wipers are always a weak point. They really do, they rot in these conditions. My wife and I have had this car from new. So in order to keep it under warranty, it's the first car I've ever taken back to the main dealer for servicing, and other than a good inspection at 30,000 kilometers, all they had to do to it was change the pollen filter. At 60,000 the brake fluid will be replaced, and at 90,000 they'll do the coolant in the reduction gear. That'll be looked at one more time before the end of the warranty period, and then after that it'll be up to me to look after it in here. I swapped the original wheels front to back just before the winter last year and then replaced them at 12 months. And now I'm doing the same again ahead of this winter, just swapping them front to back. You know, other than the propulsion unit, it's actually a very conventional car, and I'm sure once it's out of warranty there won't be anything too complex for me to work on, such as shocks and bushings and brake pads, when it needs them after the warranty's over. It's funny, fitting the tyres makes me think about all the mileage we've covered with this car. I think by offering something completely different, this car has really earned its place in our little fleet.